Hello guys, welcome back to another video of Techavro. Hope you guys are having a nice day. In this video I'm going to show you how can you add keyframes in Adobe Premiere Pro. So for that, at first just launch your Adobe Premiere Pro app. Now here you can see new project option, click on it and you can just name anything for the new project, and after that just click on OK. Now in this panel you need to just click on it and you need to just right click and import. Just import any video that you want to add keyframe. Just select a video and drag this video into this panel. Now I'm going to cut the sound. Just unlink and click on the sound option and delete. Now in this video, here you can see there are some effect controls option and you need to just put this broad, and after that you can just click on this position to add keyframe. Here you can see there is a keyframe here. Just change the duration of the video like this and just change these options. I'm changing the position. You can add multiple keyframes by changing the position as well. Just simply change the position and the keyframe will be added. You can also add scale keyframe. Just click on scale and there is a keyframe here, you can see. Again just change and add keyframe. I am choosing multiple keyframes here. Just open the video and here you can see the video is zoom in and zoom out. In my case the keyframes are in about 2 seconds and that's why you can't see more than that. After the keyframe has ended, the video will be in its actual position. Here you can see. You can add another keyframe like this. I am choosing another keyframe in the far direction. Scale and position both. Now just see this. By adding another keyframe in the far direction, the video is now gone. You can make the keyframe as you want. So guys, that's how you can add keyframe on Adobe Premiere Pro. Hope you found this video helpful. If you found it helpful, then give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to Techavro. Thank you very much for watching the video.